Hi, Barrow. Oh, he likes you.
This is way lighter than mine.
Girl, I know how to pack.
Your toiletry bag on the outside.
It keeps it, yeah. Sweet, we're loaded up.
Nice.
Yeah, I know.
It's always chili paste.
Like,
A little ball of sticky rice.
Triangle.
How much he's going for?
Oh, that.
Okay, like that.
Is that bad?
I don't know. I've never tried it.
That must be like the gunpowder of spice.
I'm gonna give it a taste. With sticky rice to help balance it out.
Very like smoky.
Yeah. Was it okay?
yeah, that wasn't actually very hot.
Okay, good. Perfect.
If not. A little bit of breakfast here. We got, what is this called again?
Cow soy.
Cow
Sorry, guy.
Cow soy. Which is like noodles, and we demolished it, but it's like noodles, hard noodles, soft noodles, meat, and some veggies. Jason, what would you rate that on spicy, 1 to 10?
I'd say that's like a 7.5.
He's
I can feel it on my eye, like my eyelids.
Miles, what would you rate it?
It's not considered a spicy dish.
It's just gonna be honest in there.
But for me, I'd say it's like a 5.
Okay, I give it a 4.
Comfortable, like 4 or 5.
I agree. And then, this was like a, what was this one called?
It's called Gang Hung Lei, and it is a slow-cooked pork stew with tamarind sauce. And it's just like the fat just melts in your mouth. It's so good.
Yeah, this pork, like you eat it and it just disintegrates in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. Ginge, did you like the meat? Okay, Ginger didn't have any meat.
I'm gonna have deep fried stuff.
But we got some wontons and some
Spring rolls.
So this is our breakfast before our big road trip.
Riley's first meal of 24. He says the best meal he's had since being 24.
Best meal I had since being 24. Only meal I've had since being 24. You're on Miles's old campus.
It's a nice walking spot.
Oh yes. This bamboo. So cool. This is 400 years old. The structure.
How true it is that the king at the time was traveling through here on his elephant and with like the groups of his soldiers. And as they were coming up the mountain, the elephant came here, knelt, and drank from the water.
Oh wow.
Woman.
I'm not really sure. Possibly. This
I did not say that right.
the Lana region. King and queen of the Lana region were killed, but their 2 daughters were safe. Princess Buakau and Princess Buatong were the names of the 2 daughters. Kun Padum, the most honest soldier to the king and queen, took them to escape from the enemies. They escaped with their people and servants and went to the southern part of the Lana region until they reached a cave and found it safe, so they lived there. They lived in the cave with their servants. Need a little sunshine.
This is the aquifer. Whoa, that's like, you can see like a log under there.
Here, there's less reflection.
What came from that one?
Singe. Alrighty. We've already been down the sticky waterfalls.
One time.
Yeah. Didn't bring any phones or videos because we said, oh, we'll just, you know, keep it in our mind. We gotta get some video.
We're doing it again.
We're doing it again. It's too cool to not. So, yeah, we're at this whatever park,
We don't have miles.
and we're gonna go up the sticky waterfalls. Well, first down the stairs. Wow.
Be careful.
Dang. Wow. The handoff. Boom. Complete. Oh, hey! You look like you're in a jungle. Oh my goodness. A little selfie mode up here. Cheese.
Screenshot moment.
Yeah. All right, JSAP, let's see what you got. Wow, he's like a spider.
It's a lot cheaper than it looks in the camera. Like,
I took a little spill, but we're okay. We're all good. Okay. All right, Jason's scaling.
if you want a photo,
Hello, reporting live from Sticky Waterfall. I'll turn the camera around. To all the fans. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
yes. Ta-da-da. Happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday.
We smuggled a pie from Chang to surprise him. And Miles had this all set up for picnic while we were going up the waterfall one more
Some
time.
good chicken.
Here was the delicious chickens we just ate.
Wow.
Delicious.
Did you see 7 colors, Ginge?
2.
Mostly green and blue, but it is so
the sun isn't,
pretty.
like, direct.
Yeah.
Aaron did a time lapse.
We're following the school bus with all the students on the school bus.
School vehicle.
Sorry,
It
vehicle.
looks like he's doing bad.
Yeah, he doesn't look like he's doing good.
He must have had a bad day at school.
Look at these dogs are right in the middle of the road.
There's our path coming up.
Traversing.
Holy moly.
And it's super nice right above this retaining wall because there's no trees to
Signal
block.
area. This is why
Signal?
they have a sign to show you where you can get cell service.
Oh.
Probably yeah, if you're in an accident. So here's a viewpoint. Ooh, someone lost their turds. Oh wow, that's incredible.
What's up, buddy? How's it going,
Hey
JSAT?
viewers, welcome to the mountains. We're somewhere in between what is it, Chiang Mai and Pai. So I think we're still about an hour out from Pai. So I think we're gonna stop there, rest, get
some pie.
something to drink, maybe some pie. But we already had pie today, so.
Sweet.
Got some chickens down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just stretching our legs.
Beautiful.
Miles is driving like a professional.
Certified good driver.
He does have a license here, so that makes sense. But
Yeah, that's helpful. Okay. Now we stretch out and don't get car sick.
it's cool.
I can't end it.
There's the birthday boy. And his new pants he got.
Can you show them my chips? Ming Kum Crab Cross.
I have a feeling that's not how you pronounce it, but that was close.
Rhymes with Bob Ross.
Alrighty, we have made it to our next place. It's a mega bed.
Oh wait, I'm still in the bathroom slippers.
This is literally it.
Well, no, we gotta show him the bathroom.
Oh,
Tomorrow, I think we have a cool view.
yeah, I'm excited for the views now.
Shower, toilet. That's the whole room. Very nice. Birthday boo. What did you get, Jason?
I got the Beer Lao IPA.
Beer Lao IPA.
This little bottle.
Beer Lao White.
There you go.
It's good, I like it.
You need drinking some sauce or something.
Ginger soy sauce.
Maybe.
This is our place. This is kind of like the main area, and then they have like the lobby and the kitchen back there.
It's like a big tree hut.
You can see the backstage, you've got the ladder and then
Ginger, yeah.